How to add the center dot crosshair in CS2. So first you just need to open up your settings. And once you're there, go to game, then go to crosshair right here. So you just need to scroll down till you see the center dot option right here. So it's just below the follow recoil. So center dot, then click on yes. So this will give you a center dot right here. And what you can do also is remove the length to remove the lines right there if you just want the center dot, and also remove the outline. Now you just simply have a dot crosshair on your screen. You could also change the color if you want by changing these values right here, or just like that if you want a black crosshair or something. So you could just mess with this to change your crosshair. Let's say I want this color, so as you can see I now have this dot crosshair just like that. And that's basically it.